Hi, today we'll be learning how to calculate the total surface area of any cylindrical object. Now before learning this, let us understand what do we mean by surface area. Surface area is actually the size of any plain paper which is required to cover any other object, exactly fitting onto it. Now let us learn today how to calculate the total surface area of a cylindrical object. For this, we'll require a cylindrical object. We've made the cylinder with the help of paper. You can easily make that at home as well. A pair of scissors. Now let us begin with this activity. For that, let us note the first thing. The cylinder has this as the height. Let us mark it on the cylinder and denote it by the small alphabet H. So this is the height of the cylindrical object. To calculate its surface area, we'll cut the cylinder along a straight line at any point on the cylinder. Once the cylinder is open, what does it look like? It looks like a rectangle having a length which was equal to the height of the cylindrical object and a breadth. Now, to calculate the area of paper required to cover this rectangle, we will require the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Let us observe what is the breadth of this rectangle. When I put it back into the cylindrical shape, what do I see? The cylinder is actually covering the boundaries of the circle. The boundaries of a circle are known as its circumference. Therefore, the breadth here is nothing but the circumference of the circle denoted by C. So when I say we will be calculating the total surface area of the cylinder, this area would be given into two parts. First, the area of rectangle, which is seen in green color here, plus area of the two circles seen in pink, which lie exactly on the top and the bottom of the cylinder. Area of rectangle, as we know, is given by the formula length into breadth. Plus, because the cylinder is regular, both these circles will have equal area. Therefore, area of two circles would be twice the area of one of these circles. The length of the rectangle, as we have already seen, is equal to the height of the cylinder. And its breadth is equal to the circumference of the circle, given by the formula 2 pi r plus 2 multiplied by area of the two circles, each having the area pi r square, where both will have the same radii. Therefore, this would be 2 times pi r square. If you observe carefully, there are certain terms which are common in both of them. Let us take these common terms out. We have 2 present in both the terms, before and after the plus sign. We have pi common in both. We also have r common in both. What remains if 2 pi r is removed from the first term? It's h that is remaining. The plus sign carried forward as it is. 2 is removed out. Pi is removed out. Out of the r square, we have taken r out. So definitely one more r is still pending. This is nothing but the formula to calculate total surface area of a cylinder. So today, with the help of this activity, we have learned how to calculate the total surface area of a cylinder with the help of the area of rectangle and the areas of the two circles. Hope you have learned how to calculate these areas.
The complete course for Math Grade 10 SSC Maharashtra State Board is now available in pen drive and SD card format. Our quick revision chart book is also available in English and Marathi language. Click on the link to buy now. You may also check the description below. Thank you.